Hi and what's up? Let's make some amazing French toast sticks in a matter of 5 minutes. So this is a very easy breakfast recipe and I hope you stay tuned until the end of the video. So without further ado, I'm going to get started and I have a few ingredients. I have my bread, milk, eggs, cinnamon, cooking oil. I have an orange. I want it to have an orange flavor, so I have a very fresh orange. So I'm going to get started with my bread. So because we're making sticks, I'm going to bread sticks. Because we're making bread sticks, I'm going to cut my bread in dads. Place this aside, pick another toast and cut in the same way. So I'm going to place my bread on my plate. Then I'm going to keep my chopping board aside. Now in a bowl, I'm going to add in 2 eggs. Then I'm going to add in sugar. I'm using caster sugar. Then I'm going to add in milk, and you'll find all the ingredients listed in the description box down below. Next, I'm going to add in vanilla essence. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, cinnamon, it's smelling so good already. Using a fork, I'm going to mix everything together. Make sure everything is fully combined into a perfect mixture. Then at this point, I'm going to grab my orange, which is very clean, and I'm going to zest a teaspoon of orange zest. So you make sure you get the orange parts, not the white parts. And it smells amazing. And I know the French toast will be so good. Well, that is enough. I'm going to place this aside. Then using my fork, I'm going to mix everything together. This egg mixture smells amazing, especially when I've added the orange zest. So I'm going to move over to the stove top, and on medium flame, I'm going to add cooking oil. Just a tiny little bit of cooking oil. Once the oil gets hot, I'm going to dip my bread into the egg mixture and flip. Make sure all the sides are coated with the mixture. Then I'm going to drain the excess and place it in my pan. So I'm going to make the rest and can't wait to have my breakfast. You're going to cook your bread until golden brown on all sides. So you keep watching over your bread so that it doesn't burn. So I'm going to check on my bread. Yum. Perfect. Just perfect. I love the caramelization of the sugar, as you can see. So good. It looks absolutely amazing. My first round of my French toast is ready and it's looking so good. So I'm going to transfer my French toast sticks on a plate. Yum. I'm going to add my next round. And it looks so good. I definitely love when I make French toast because it's one of my most favorite breakfast recipes because it is so easy to prepare. So as you make the French toast, you make sure not to overcrowd the pan because you don't want the French toast to be sticking on each other. And also add a little bit of oil when you notice that the French toast are sticking to the pan, of which, because I'm using a non-stick pan, they're not going to stick. And if you're using a cast iron and you notice that the French toast are sticking on the pan, you can add a little bit of oil or even butter. Yeah. So I'm going to check on my bread and flip. It's been an amazing 5 minutes of making my French toast sticks, and I'm surely going to enjoy each and every bite, especially the children also. They are going to enjoy this amazing breakfast. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll catch you on my next one.